Before we move on and build the side menu, let's just quickly set up the layout of the app. I'm going to place all these app related files into a new folder called application. So let me just quickly do that. Also, what I'm going to do is to add two new folders. One is going to be named common. This will contain all common files we are going to use throughout the project. So navigation services, database stuff, controls, styles, and things like that. And finally, I'm going to have the third folder in root, which I'm going to call modules. And in these modules, we are going to put our views and our view models. So this is going to be the MVVM styled app. We are going to use MVVM in this project, since this is really the best architecture for Xamarin Forms. And what we will also be needing is some images and icons. So let me just quickly import that as well to both Cryptolit Android and Cryptolit.ios. I see you soon. Okay, I imported the icons for the iOS. All icons we will be using throughout the project, and also did the same for the Android version. So you can find these assets attached to this lecture. The final step is to add some views we are going to use in building the side menu. So within the modules folder, I am going to add 3 new screens. First one is going to be wallet. So this is going to be wallet view. Next view is for assets. So let's add the assets folder and the assets view. So right click, add new file, content page XAML with code behind class, and we will call this assets view. So this view will contain the collection of assets we currently possess in our wallet. And I forgot to mention this wallet view. This is the main view, the portfolio view, which user sees at the start of the app. And lastly, third module is for our transactions. So we will have overview of all transactions, deposit transactions, and withdrawn transactions that will be placed within the tab bar page. So let's add those views as well. New file. First one is just transactions view. Next one is for the deposit transactions. So new content page, let's call it deposited transactions view. And the third one is for withdrawn transactions. We are going to call this withdrawn transactions view. Okay, we have our views now. Let's see how to build the side menu.